Hi, today we're going to be going through the process of ordering our books online through MyCampus. First, you need to sign into the MyCampus portal site using your Main Street login, which is your first name, last name, and the password associated with that account. Then we need to go to Main Street. We're going to go there through the launch pad on the left-hand side of the MyCampus, clicking the little street sign here. This will bring us to the Main Street navigation page. You'll see on the left there is the Student Self-Service link and a little gray arrow. Clicking the gray arrow next to it will give you the option to go to the Student Center. From here we will be able to see our class schedule, which will show us the class abbreviation and the class number under the class column in the schedule. We need both of these things to order our books online. After this page has been brought up, you can go back to MyCampus and choose New Students at the top in the black bar. Clicking this tab will bring you to this New Students page. On the left-hand side there is various amounts of links which are helpful for new students. The second to last one is the UMF bookstore. After clicking that link, you'll be brought to this Order Your Textbooks page, which will give you the final link to the textbook ordering site. From there, you'll select your semester, and you'll see all of the class abbreviations. After checking your class abbreviation, find your number and select that class. After you select that class, go back to the top of the page and continue selecting all of your classes. After you've selected all of your classes, you can go to the bottom of the page and hit Continue. This will bring you to the second half of this process, where you'll choose the quality of the book you get. You can choose from new, used, and sometimes rentals are an option. After you've gone through and selected for each book what you would like, you can click Continue at the bottom of the page. This will bring you to a standard ordering page like any other online ordering process. We hope you found this very informative and enjoy the rest of your summer. We look forward to seeing you in the fall.